Welcome to my review channel, Soft Spot Reviews. Today we talk about the review of Project Serenity, 33% lifetime commissions. Are you looking for a reliable way to generate passive income? Project Serenity, 33% lifetime commissions presents an exceptional opportunity for individuals interested in affiliate marketing. This innovative program allows you to earn a substantial 33% commission on every sale generated by your referrals. What makes Project Serenity 33% lifetime commissions particularly appealing is its unique lifetime commission structure. Unlike traditional affiliate programs that provide commissions only on initial purchases, this program ensures that you continue to earn from all subsequent transactions made by your referred customers for as long as they remain active. This creates a sustainable income stream that can grow significantly over time. To get started with Project Serenity, 33% lifetime commissions, you simply need to sign up as an affiliate. The registration process is user-friendly, and once approved, you will receive a personalized referral link. This link is your key to success, as it allows Project Serenity to track the customers you refer. You can easily share this link across various platforms, such as social media, blogs, and email newsletters, maximizing your reach and potential earnings. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a 33% commission not only on that initial sale, but also on all future purchases made by that customer. This ongoing earning potential is what truly sets Project Serenity 33% lifetime commissions apart from other affiliate programs. Moreover, the more you promote Project Serenity 33% lifetime commissions, the greater your income potential becomes. As your network of referrals expands, so does your opportunity to earn. Whether your referrals make additional purchases, upgrade their subscriptions, or renew their memberships, you benefit from each transaction, creating a reliable passive income stream. This model encourages you to actively engage with your audience, providing value through your promotions while reaping the rewards of your efforts. It's important to familiarize yourself with the specific details of Project Serenity 33% lifetime commissions. Understanding the terms and conditions, such as payout schedules and minimum thresholds, will help you maximize your earnings. Consulting their official documentation or reaching out to their support team can provide you with the most accurate and up-to-date information. In conclusion, if you're ready to explore the exciting world of affiliate marketing, consider Project Serenity 33% lifetime commissions as your pathway to financial success. With its attractive commission structure and the potential for ongoing earnings, this program offers a unique chance to build a sustainable income. Start your journey today and discover how Project Serenity 33% lifetime commissions can transform your financial future while providing you with the freedom to work on your terms.